Hi friends, today we'll learn some techniques of quicker maths, specifically relating to squares. Okay, so see, if we have to do squares of 51 to 59, so this squares particularly restrict to 51 to 59. Okay, so if I have to do a square of 54, this comes from 51 to 59, so 54 square. So I'll take 25 as a base. Why 25? Because half of 50 is 25. So see again, half of 50 is 25. So in 25 I'll add 4, which is a unit digit. This is unit digit, this is 10th place digit, and so on, as we'll see bigger digits. So 4 plus, and lastly square of 4. So I'll take 2 digits from here and 2 digits from here. So answer is 25 plus 4, 29, and 4 square is 16. So 2916 is your answer. So here, let's do square of 56. 56 square. So 50 square, I'll take 25 as a base, as you see. So answer will be 25 plus. So unit digit here is 6. So 6 here and 6 square. Lastly, 6 square. So 25 plus 6 is 31. And square of 6, 36. This is your answer. So now, if you know how we do this or calculate this, you can do this calculation in your mind. So let's see, if I have to do a square of 59. Okay. So 25, which is the half of 50. So 25 plus 9 is 34. And square of 9 is 81. So here 34, which is 25 plus 9, and 81, which is square of 9. So square of 53 square. So 53 here is 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. And lastly, square of 3 is 9. So the square of 3 is 9. So there is no 10th place digit. So I'll take 0 as 10th place digit. Okay. So here, if I have to do a square of 52. So 52 square is, I know this 25 plus 2 is 27. And square of 2 is 4. So I'll write 4 only and take 0 here. So again I'll say, these represents 2 digits and this also represent 2 digits. So that means 25 plus unit digit, which is 2. Always remember, if half of 50 is 25, so I'll have 25 plus unit digit. Okay, plus unit digit, plus unit digit, plus unit digit, and lastly square of that unit digit. Okay, so if you know this, then you can, there is no need to calculate all this, you can directly jump to the answer. Okay, so any square from 51 to 59, you can apply this formula. Okay. Now let's see second formula. This formula restricts to squares of numbers with unit digit as 5. So squares of numbers with unit digit as 5. So if I write one number, let's see 5, 6, 7, 5. So this is unit digit number. This is 10th place digit number. This is 100. This is 1000. So any number which ends with 5, any number which ends with 5, so there is a shortcut way to do squares of those numbers. So let's see, we'll start from 15. 15 square. 15 has 5 as a unit digit. Okay. So what is the traditional method of doing a multiplication? This because 15 square represents 15 into 15. So 15 into 15. But how we can quickly solve this answer? So I'll add 1 to the upper this digit. So which is 1 plus 1 is 2. So I'll multiply this with this and this with this. So always here, always be 25. So 2, that is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. So here is your answer, 225. Okay, 225. So let's see if we have to do a square of 25. So what is square of 25? So as you know, that 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. And lastly, 5 5s are 25. So this is very easy way of doing the squares which have unit digit as 5. So see, now you can do squares of any digit which ends with 5. So 75 square. So now there is no need that you should write all this. So as you know, 7 plus 1. I'll write a little big. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 multiplied with 7 is 56 and 25. This is your answer. As you know, what you have to do is add 1. Then multiply that with that digit itself. Okay. So let's, if you have to do a square of 95. So all you have to do is add 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 into 9. 10 9s are 90 and lastly 25. This is the answer. Or let's take any other digit. 65. 6 plus 1. So you have to add only 1 to this digit. So which is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 multiply with 6. So 7 6 are 42 and 25. This is your square of 65. So this is very easy. You can calculate this in your mind. Okay. So let's do one more square. 55. So now you can do square of 55 with the earlier method which we did, which was 20 plus 5. 25 plus 5, which is 30, and square of 5, which is 25. This is your answer. But you can also do like this. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 5s are 30, and lastly 25. Both way same answer. Okay. So you can do squares of numbers with unit digit at 5 with this method. Okay. Next we will see one more method. This method you can apply to almost any digit. Okay. So this formula, first you will see what is this formula. That is a square 2ab b square. Okay. So this formula we can apply on any digit. Answer will be same. The thing to notice here is this is unit digit number, this is 10th place digit number, and these all are above, so 100 and 1000. We'll see how we'll do it. So let's suppose we have to do a square of 23. Okay, so 23 we can apply that formula of unit digit as a 5, because here the digit is 3, last digit, unit digit is 3. So this digit actually represents VB and this is A. So this one is A and this one is B. So you can apply this formula on this 23rd. So see, B square, which is B square, 3 square is 9. So this is my unit digit. So it will be 10th place digit, it is 2AB. 2AB represents 3 2s are 6. So multiply both digits. 3 to the 6, 6 double 12. So here is 2, 1 will be carry forward. Okay, because we have to take only one digit here. So there is 12. So 1 I'll carry forward here. So lastly a square, which is 2 square. 2 square 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 5 to 9. So this is the square of 23. So you can apply this formula to almost any number. Let's see, we have to do a square of 64. 64, you know now this is a B and this one is A. You know this is B and this one is A. So firstly, you can do this with this method also. 4 square is 16. So you take 6 1 here and 1 carry forward. 6 here is 36. 6 square is 36. So now you have to calculate this 10th place digit. So what will be that? 6 into 4. So 6 into 4 is 24. 24 double 48. 48 plus 1. So which was a digit which comes here. So 16, 1 we carry forward. So 48 plus 1 is 49. We will write 9 here and 4 will be carry forward. Actually, if we add 4 here, the answer will be 4096. So you can do this way also. You can do this way also, or you can start from the very right itself. Just like this, 4 square, 16, 1 carry forward. 24, 6 4 are 24, double 48 plus 1 49. Now 4 carry forward. This one is done with. 4 carry forward. So 6 square 36, 36 plus 4 40. So directly you can write 4096. So this method you can apply to any digit. So let's suppose we have to do a square of 112. 112. So here the thing to remember here is this represents B and this whole represents A. B will always be the unit number. Okay. So only unit number B. So 2 square is 4. What will come here at this place? So 11 into 2, 22. 22 double 44. So 4 here and 4 carry forward. Okay, to the next digit. 11 square is 1 2 1. 1 2 1 plus 4. 1 2 5. So answer is 1 2 5 4 4. This is very easy method of doing the squares, and this method you can apply to any digit. Okay. So next technique which we will learn is squares of number nearest to 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Squarest to numbers nearest to 10, 100, 1000. That means you can take base as these numbers 10, 100, 1000. So let's see, we have to do a square of 98. So 98 square. So I can take 100 as a base because it is nearest to 100. So if I take 100 as a base, so 98 is 2 less than 100. So 2 less than 100. So my answer will be 98 minus 2, which is 96. And lastly, square of 2, which is 4. But I have taken 100 as a base, so I'll take 2 digits at the last. So there is no digit, so I'll take 0 here. So answer is 9604. So this is your answer. So let's see, I have to do a square of another digit like 97. 97 square. So again I will take 93. So 93 square. So I'll take 100 as a base. So 93 is 7 less than 100. So if I subtract 7 from 93, the answer is 86. And I have to take 2 digits here because I have taken 100 as a base, which represents 2 zeros. So I have to put here 2 zeros. But I have to take square here also. So 7 square. So 7 square is 49. You can do also this also. Firstly, 93 minus 7, 86. Write 100 as a base. That means 20. Multiply it with 100. But you have to do a square of 7. So add 49. 7 square is 49 because you have to subtract 7 from 97. So you will take square of 49 7 also. The answer is 8649, which is the same answer here. Okay. If you have to understand this formula how it is done, so see. Actually, if I have to take 100 as a base, so 98 is, I have to add 2 to 98 to make it as 100. So, and if I'll add 2 here, I'll also subtract 2 here from 98 also. Okay, here is multiply because this is brackets, this is different, so here is a multiply, but I will add 2 square at the end. So you'll see here is 100, here is 96, so here is multiply and plus 4. Okay, so because 2 the square is 4, so answer is 9600 plus 4, and answer is 9604. This is your answer, which is same as 9604. So actually you don't have to do this. Okay, this you can do in your mind. How? Because you remember that this will always be 100. So if you will multiply this with this, so you'll get only 2 zeros at the end. So you can remember pretty much that thing over here. Okay, so same way this thing if I have to do, so 93 I have to add 7 to make it 100. Then 93 minus 7, 7 square. This is a method. So there will be 100. There will multiply here. 86 plus 49. So which is 8600 plus 49. 8649. This is answer. Okay. Actually, let's see if I have to do a scale of 1003. So now I can take 1000 as a base, which represents 3 zeros. Okay. So actually, this is 3 more than 1000. So my first number will be 1006. I'll add 3 here. Now I have to take square of 3, which is 9, but I have to take 2 zeros also because I have taken base as 100. So I have to add 3 zeros, but I'll add square of 3 with in that. So answer will be 9. 16009. Let's take another example. 1008. Scale. So one easy way is I take 1000 as a base. 1000 is a base here because it is nearest to 1000. So 1008 is 8 more than 1000. So my answer will be 1016. I'll add 8 in this digit and square of 8, which is 64. So 640. I have taken 3 digits here because I have taken 1000 as a base, which represents 3 zeros. So this is the method through which we can solve this equation. The other way is 1008. I have to take 1000 as a base. So I have to subtract 8. Then if I subtract 8, I will add also 8 in the same digit, and at the last I'll add square of 8, same digit. As you can see here will be 1000 into 1016 addition plus 8 square is 64. Sorry, 64. So answer is 101600 plus 64. So 101664 answer. You can apply this formula as far as you remember the squares. Let's suppose we have to do a square of 75. The one way is you can quickly add plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 sevens are 56, 25. This is your answer. You can also apply this formula. This is also a universal formula. That means you can apply this formula to any digit, which means if I take 100 as a base, so 75 is 25 less than 100, which means less 25. 75 is 25 less than 100. So 75 minus 5 is 50. It represents 50, but I have taken 100 as a base, so I'll add 2 zeros. Okay, and 25 square. 25 square is 625. I'll add 6 to 5. So 5625. Same way, this is the answer. I've added this here. You can, if you can remember all this thing in your head, so then you can directly say 75 minus 25 is 50. What will be the last digit is 25 square, which is 625. So 25 will come here because you have taken 100 as a base. So you can only take 2 digits here. So 6 will be carry forward. So 6 you will add in 0. So answer is 5625. This is your answer. So thank you friends for giving your precious time. So I hope this techniques helps you a lot.